Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use WhatsApp on laptop. So let's get started. So we have two methods on how you can use WhatsApp on laptop. First is using WhatsApp web, where you don't need to install WhatsApp on your laptop, and the other is using WhatsApp desktop app. So I'm going to tell you how you can do both. So in order to use WhatsApp without installing on your laptop, you gotta head over to any of the browsers such as Chrome, Edge, and you gotta search for WhatsApp web. Once you do so, you gotta go to web.whatsapp.com and you'll see a QR code on your screen. On your phone, you gotta open WhatsApp and you gotta click on the settings at the bottom right. Then you gotta head over to link a device and scan the QR code from your laptop. And you're done. Your WhatsApp will instantly open on your laptop as well. But if you find going to the web browser each time and searching for WhatsApp quite hectic, you can simply install the desktop app of WhatsApp. To do that, you gotta head over to Microsoft Store and you gotta simply search for WhatsApp at the top, and then you gotta install and open the app. A QR code will appear. Open WhatsApp on your phone just like I told you. Go to link devices, tap link a device and scan the QR code, and now you can use WhatsApp directly from your laptop. And with that, that's the end of today's tutorial. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.